Instro. I never heard this shit before.
I can, but it's so trash. You know my name is Vinny. I'm from the Middle East. I rhyme over instrumentals, rhyme over beats. I rhyme with rhymes and I rhyme with words and I park my camel right on the curb. I walk through the desert. Yes, I like dessert. You don't know shit, bitch. You have a t-shirt that says I survived the war in Kuwait. Yes, I rhyme good. Yes, I rhyme great. I don't care me. I'm so fucking funny. Yes, I do this shit. I eat the honey. But they don't have no bees in the Kalahari. Yes, I am Mr. Punjabi. Yes, I kill it. Yes, you feel it. Yes, I snake charm your Willis. I don't care what you say. I have 55 virgins on the way. I don't care. I got the dynamite. And you don't know shit because me, I rhyme tight. Rhyme on the mic, rhyme all night. Yes, I do it. I'm so polite. But I really hate you cause you're white. Ha, yes, I'm doing it again. I don't write pencil, I don't write pen. I use hieroglyphics. Yes, you love I spit it. Me, I do it so swift, bitch. Ha, yeah, Jay-Z and Iraq. I do it like Punjami. See, Iraq. I almost lost it. I'm back in Iraq. Please point me back to Iraq.